So today's video is going to be a pre-record because I'm still having a lot of trouble with my back, so I hope you can hear me okay. And I'm going to show you first some Happy Mail that I had arrive on Wednesday from Lynn, which I love, and I have plans for some of those already. And then afterwards I'm going to go into making a book bag. Daughter's asked for a few varying sizes, so I'm just going to do a quick video on making a book bag. Hello, I had some Happy Mail arrive on Wednesday. I've had some of these 4-inch squares and some blue and green blues, this nice orange. I have plans for all of those, and then these I've also had arrive as well at the same time. That's very pretty. It's got some glitter in it, fish, it's very, and then this looks very African style, same as that one, Aboriginally African. And then these are Christmas pieces. So these all came from Lynn, and thank you very much, Lynn. I really appreciate them, thank you. So I've cut 4 pieces of fabric, 12.5 inches square, and I'm just going to take 2 of each, and I'm just going to sew around 3 sides of that on both pieces, so that I've got 2 with 2, if you understand what I mean. So I've stitched around 3 sides. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to just box the corners on both of the pieces at about 1 inch. There you can see I've got the corners folded. I'm just stitching it across. So there's my boxed corner. I'm just going to snip off the excess on the seams on all 4 of those corners that I've just done. Now I'm turning one piece the right side out and leaving the other one wrong side out. And I'm going to place the one that's right side out inside the one that's inside out and match up the seams. And I've just nested those seams so that one goes one way and one goes the other, so that they lay flatter. Now I'm going to have a look at the strap. So for the straps, I've cut 2-inch strip width of fabric, and I've cut that in half. I'm going to take one piece and fold it in half, and I'm going to sew down both sides of that strap. So there are my 2 straps. Now by taking a chunky knitting needle, I'm able to get into that fold, push it in and then turn it, sorry so you can't see, and then I can turn it inside out quite easily using this knitting needle. So I've now got my top of my bag just going to fold it in half and in half again, just to give me some idea of where I want those straps to be. I'm going to take one of the straps and place it between the two layers of, so I've positioned the first one, so I need to just make sure that I don't twist the strap as it goes back in between the two layers, and position that in roughly the same place that I want it, and pin that in place. So that's the first straps in place. Then take the opposite side, I'm going to place the second strap in so that the handles match in the same position as the other side, and pin them in place. Now I'm going to sew all the way around, leaving a gap in the top for turning. So I made sure that I backstitched at the start and the finish because of turning through, I don't want that ripping, and I also backstitched a couple of times over where the straps were to give it a bit of reinforcement. So I'm now going to turn it out the right way. I'm going to tuck the lining into the outer and make sure that my corners are poked out. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to top stitch all around this outside edge, because that will then seal in my opening, and then that will be a bag done. So there is that finished bag. It's been top stitched around the top. That will hold a few books. So that's another one, same size. That's done with a 12.5-inch square. This one's made using 10-inch square, and this one was 8.5 by 10-inch. So as you can see, you can make them any size that you want to. I hope you enjoy that tutorial. I'm sorry it wasn't live, but as I say, I'm having difficulty with my back. Thank you.